Introducing the 2017 Ford F-150. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, universal garage door opener, trip computer, steering wheel controls, power windows, bucket seats, cruise control. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.